You have been to Berlin Fashion Week as well, I believe.
I'm so happy to see our new generation, Gen Zs and all, because उनको देख के लगता है कि future is safe.
Sustainability is actually taking a step back.
जो artisans हैं उनको spotlight मिले, उनके craft को spotlight मिले.
I remember wearing my sister's clothes एक के बाद एक अब तक जो है ना अच्छे चलते थे. Hello everyone, this is Angel Imdad at Myco Studio with another episode of Green Talks. Green Talks is all about the sustainable initiatives a person takes or they take at the company level so that आप भी वो सुन के अपनी sustainability game को strong कर सकें. So today we have in our studio Shaheen Khan, who is the founder of Khan's, and she is the co-founder of Pakistan Sustainable Association. Thank you, Shaheen Khan, for being a part of Green Talks.
Thank you so much, Angel, to have me here.
So, Shaheen, बात करेंगे हम थोड़े से sustainable fashion की, and you being the fashion designer, so you started back in 2010. उस टाइम पे शायद sustainability का नाम भी किसी ने नहीं सुना होगा. So, what was the drive towards it? Because sustainable fashion is a very different line, I would say. So, what was the motivation?
Well, my journey starts with the love with the cultural richness that we have.
Wow.
So, and the story behind the craft itself. So, all the amazing stories and the people in the process that got me into it. I have a textile background, but I'm never, inclined towards the commercial aspect of the fashion. Always wanted to have something to do with the craft or the artisans themselves. So this love and continued passion took me to all those amazing artisans. And then the journey begins of Khan's. But I was compelled to, not just to like and appreciate the culture that we possess, is to form a platform where these stories and then this community can have a financial sustainability. So that's the journey. So that's what we did, and Alhamdulillah, it's an ongoing journey, and a lot of milestones to be made.
Nice. वैसे तो I'm a fan, of course, of Khan's, and आपके सारे the things that you are wearing as well, it actually speaks about what you do, the indigenous craft and everything. अगर पाकिस्तान के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम बात करें तो सस्टेनेबल फैशन किस तरह से इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है, या क्या लूप होल्स हैं, या क्या काम और मजीद करने की ज़रूरत है?
So, in terms of that, I would say a lot is already being in process, but then again, it's so huge. Pakistan is blessed to be so culturally rich,
True.
and the sustainable practices, if you look back, हमारी नानी और पर नानी और दादियों के ज़माने में, तो ये तो रोज़मर्रा का लाइफ होती थी उनकी,
True.
कि कोई चीज़ वेस्ट नहीं होती थी.
Hmm.
हर चीज़ को रीयूज़ किया जाता था इनटू द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. कोई कपड़ा वेस्ट नहीं होता था, या तो वो फिर दोबारा लव्ड वंस को दे दिया जाता था,
Hmm.
या फिर उसको एक, मतलब इतने हसीन टाँके हैं हमारे उसमें, कि रिली की फॉर्म में हम उसको फिर इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लेते थे,
Hmm.
फिर उसको रीलफ्ट के लिए वो किया जाता था. तो सर्कुलैरिटी, इफ़ यू लुक बैक, तो ये तो मतलब हमारे घरों में, ख़ानदानों में, मतलब सिस्टम का हिस्सा रही हैं, सोसाइटी का हिस्सा रही हैं. सो अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस आर इन प्रोसेस.
Perfect, perfect. And I always say कि sustainability is actually taking a step back. क्योंकि as you mentioned कि हमेशा से होता आया है, and
Exactly.
I'm the youngest at home. I remember wearing my sister's clothes एक के बाद एक अब तक जो है ना अच्छे चलते थे. So that's how our Pakistani and subcontinent actually region worked, I
True,
guess.
true.
So that's amazing. उसके अलावा थोड़ा सा अगर हम बात करें, as you mentioned the indigenous communities and हमारे पुराने जो हमारे नानी दादी का ज़माना था उसमें ये बहुत आम थी चीज़. टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट, बहुत दफ़ा हम ये देखते हैं कि जो रियल आर्टिस्ट होता है वो सामने अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं आ पाता, जो हमारी इंडिजिनस कम्युनिटीज़ में या हमारे दूर दराज इलाकों में जो लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं. बट आई हैव सीन यू वर्किंग विद देम एंड अपलिफ्टिंग द कम्युनिटीज़. सो वहाँ पे कितना काम हो पा रहा है, एंड व्हाट्स योर अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स इट?
So, as we started, when we started back in 2010, the idea was to not deal with the middle person,
Okay.
because it really kills the percentage of the real change maker. So we wanted to spotlight के जो असल जो artisans हैं उनको spotlight मिले, उनके craft को spotlight मिले, and the world need to see कि हम पाकिस्तान का कितना रिच कल्चर है, एंड मतलब और कितना नफीस है. So we started, going, to the little clusters. So हमारे पूरे पाकिस्तान में we have multiple cluster, चाहे वो केपी के कांजू हो या फिर पंजाब में हो, लोधरा का इलाका हो, और भी बहुत सारे इलाके. बट कुछ सालों से जब से फ्लड हिट हुआ सिंध में, सो हम हमारा फोकस जो है वो बिल्कुल फ्लड इफेक्टी आर्टिजान्स के तरफ चला गया. एंड वी आर लाइक एवर सिंस वी आर जस्ट वर्किंग very closely with लाड़काना, भिटशा
Wow.
एंड खैरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, क्योंकि उनकी सब चीज़ें बह गई
Hmm.
थी. जो पिट हैंडलूम वाले थे, they've been hit so badly कि उनकी सारी हैंडलूम्स चली गई, उनके घर चले गए. अभी भी the harsh weather doesn't allow them, the climate crisis are very much there.
Hmm.
एंड जो मतलब मुसलसल जो रेन्स होती हैं उसकी वजह से जो उनका डाइंग प्रोसेस है इन भिटशा, वो प्रोसेस नहीं हो पाता. तो
Hmm.
उनके काम में अभी भी ग्लिचेस आ रही हैं. देयर आर चैलेंजेस देयर आर स्टिल फेसिंग.
Wow.
सो वी वर्क विद देम ताकि उनकी मतलब फाइनेंशियल सस्टेनेबिलिटी हो. एंड मतलब एज यू सेड कि उनको फिर हम एक रेगुलर
Hmm.
मींस ऑफ सप्लाई, मींस ऑफ वर्क सप्लाई उनको
Right.
देते हैं. सो लाड़काना डिस्ट्रिक्ट अलोन हैज़ मोर देन 200 women artisans जिनके साथ हम बहुत
Very nice.
क्लोजली काम कर रहे हैं.
वेरी बिग नंबर. सो हम जैसे क्लाइमेट चेंज की बात करते हैं, फ्लड्स की आपने अभी एग्जांपल दी. एक नॉर्मल इंसान को ये लगता है कि बस पानी आ गया, बस बह गया, मतलब ठीक है रिवाइव हो जाएगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. बट लिसनिंग टू यू, आई मीन स्टिल दे आर इम्पैक्टेड, उनके काम इम्पैक्टेड हैं. मतलब एक नॉर्मली हम नहीं सोच पाते, लेकिन सस्टेनेबिलिटी प्लेज अ वाइटल रोल इन एवरी लाइफ एंड एट एवरी लेवल, आई गेस.
True, I agree.
Talking about it, you have been working in different indigenous communities. Lekin, you have been accomplished internationally as well. You have been to Berlin Fashion Week as well, I believe. So, wahan ka experience and taking indigenous work to international level, how's it and kaisa raha?
So it's my dream to take Pakistani work to the world. So yes, opportunities and time to time, yes, I got the chance to show the world what Pakistani craft and Pakistani culture is all about. So yes, we have showcased in many global avenues as well. Call it Dubai, Liverpool, Birmingham,
Nice.
and Turkey, and even in India. So yeah, a lot of places. But this is just the beginning.
Definitely, definitely. And as a woman, represent करना पाकिस्तानी fashion को at multiple level and अपने साथ साथ multiple और खवातीन को empower करना, I guess you're doing an amazing job in that sense. Indigenous communities में तो काफ़ी काम हो रहा है, but talking about the Gen Zs, young generation हमारी जो है, थोड़ी सी बिगड़ी भी है, but at the same time they are much empowered, I guess, and they have very
I'm,
big knowledge.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see our new generation, Gen Zs and all, because उनको देख के लगता है कि future is safe. The reason
Perfect.
being कि they're so conscious of what they're doing, what they're buying, what's the story behind this product, and they're so vocal about it, and they are amazing. Because back in the days when we started, we need to advocate people of
Hmm.
what we are doing, how we are doing, why is it different than commercial fashion. So there was a lot of advocacy
Hmm.
back in the days. But now the social media, the new generation, they have made it easier for us, believe me.
Right. And the thrift shopping is like a new thing. मतलब पहले के ज़माने में कोई बताता भी नहीं था कि हमने लंडे से लेके पहना है, I guess.
Yeah.
But आज तो thrift shopping is the new cool
Oh,
thing.
yes.
So
Yes.
ऐसा भी कुछ आपके सामने दिखा है कि मतलब, or you guys promote that?
So thrift shopping, yes, we try to go and find the buttons still, because we even the accessories that we use.
Yeah.
So we don't want to use anything which is harmful to the environment. So our little trimmings and all these things are usually made either from the leftover fabric, and or like the shells, the wood, the metals. So in search of that, we go to everywhere to in search of the right, buttons and stuff, and we don't mind using it, reusing it.
Right. So, as of course, taking it to the next level, the conversation, talking about the materials. Khan's के पास ऐसे कौन सी indigenous work हैं? I know few, but the materials that you guys use, the processes, जो कि बहुत sustainability को promote करते हैं.
So Hans is all about slow production, small
Hmm.
batches, and handmade. So a lot of hand woven fabric that we use again from the Khairpur district. So वो पिट हैंडलूम पे 3-4 generation से वो लोग वही चीज़ बना रहे हैं, and the work and finesse they have, it's amazing. And apart from that, then the dyeing comes. The dyeing, mostly either we do eco-friendly dyeing from Bhiksha
Hmm.
directly, or we use fiber reactive dyes, cold or warm. So वो भी सबसे बेहतरीन dyes होते हैं for any fabric, and they have a very low impact on the environment. So that, and then they're all handcrafted. So
Hmm.
then they go to the artisans, they handcraft on it. So whether it's like a bharai ka kaam or rilli ka kaam or any such other work. So after all this process, when the product is compiled, so it's like a state of the art process. And the dyeing techniques we use, they're mostly hand dyed. So either we use hand block printing or batik or screen printing, or we even introduced ice dyes for that matter, which is
Wow.
very new and unique for people, because ice dyeing is another process of dyeing where the nature takes its course, and you put the dyes and the ice in the bucket, and
Oh,
it's every piece
interesting.
is state of the art, and a creation on its own, and it's so beautiful and exquisite. It's like a one of a kind.
Just like a wow.
Oh, you can say that.
So talking about it, हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे, जैसे आपने भी बात की कि different products, हर एक product जो है वो नया होता है and different होता है, right? It's about small batches. So usually when we were talking on another podcast of ours, so there was like it's not about buying a product, it's about buying sustainability and promoting that.
Mhm.
So it totally makes sense actually. But Shaheen, ये सब कुछ करना, एक फास्ट फैशन ब्रांड के अगेंस्ट compete करना, and how difficult it is to maintain sustainability, how difficult challenges do you face?
Challenges basically makes you want to work even harder. And so, yes, it is a challenge, but I am willing to take it. I took it, and the journey has been amazing. The few challenges that are still worth mentioning is the procurement of the same fabric,
Hmm.
locally produced fabric, because we really want our locally produced fabric to be incorporated in our every product line. So, and for that matter, we use our locally produced denim every year for few months, and I'm wearing one such. And denim is, mashallah, one of the sustainable industry from Pakistan कि
Yes.
पूरे दुनिया में वो जा रही होती है.
ऐसा.
So why not we do something amazing with it? So उसको हम incorporate करते हैं. Every year we have a new theme. So this year we had like a chunri के block print के साथ हमने उसको incorporate किया. So it's a whole outerwear, unisex, functional, oversized clothing range that we have come up, because design philosophy हमेशा ये होती है. So again, the new generation can adapt it,
Hmm.
and take on and carry on the legacy of our craft and our materials. So matlab the procurement of the material would be, I would say, the first one. And then when it comes to dyeing, to get dyes in the smaller batches is still a
Hmm.
challenge, because they're been given in a big huge gallon and industrial
Hmm.
purpose के लिए तो it makes sense, but small and medium enterprises
It's very
cannot.
difficult.
It's very difficult to maintain that level of sustainability which we want, and we want to
Hmm.
take those steps. So it's difficult to get and acquire small number of dyes. Quantity is always gets in a way.
Definitely. And whatever, it's a daily routine thing. We need to wear clothes and multiple, हमारी wardrobe पूरी भरी होती है, but it's very important कि जब हम देख रहे हैं अपने wardrobe में तो हमें पता चले कि how sustainable we are. Or on repetition of the clothes maybe, or thrift shopping, or buying products which are more sustainable from sourcing till the end product, I guess. So Shaheen, coming to an end, I would ask you, okay, what is your like few thoughts for the new generation regarding sustainable fashion, if you can share that with us.
So for the generation who's gonna take and lead the world, so I just wanted to say, okay, be mindful. Be mindful of your choices, be mindful of your purchases, and be mindful overall.
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट एंड लास्ट एक चीज मैं पूछूंगी कि नॉर्मली हर कोई समझता है कि विच इज टू सम एक्सटेंट ट्रू कि जब भी हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं तो इट विल बी ओवरली एक्सपेंसिव या तो प्रोडक्ट ओवर द रूफ जा रहा होगा सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ इकोनॉमीज like how sustainability is in context with the fashion industry.
So the process, if the artisans are getting a fair share,
Yeah.
I would say why not? Because the whole world is making bigger purchases with the brand tags, where the how much percent is going to the person who's actually making that.
Mm-hmm.
So if the sustainable clothes are, there's a difference between pricey and costly. So people need to understand that, and the transparency is in the process is very important.
Very important.
So if you know what betterment is a community getting, or the artisanal space is equipped because of this, so if the transparency is there, I would say, okay, it's a win-win situation.
Definitely, if I'll get to know a particular industry or a particular community is being uplifted by me
It's the
buying a
purpose and the
particular
cause, actually.
product, so I guess it's totally makes sense.
Yeah.
Any last words? What do you have sustainable, like what sustainable habits Shaheen adapts?
Okay, so yeah, that's a good question. So yeah, I don't throw my clothes that easily.
Nice.
So they always go to the loved ones, and so yeah, so wearing things on and on is something that we all need to practice. It's something to share, by love, with love. So that needs to be in more practice, I guess. And the future is very bright if we, have those very little habits in our daily life.
Perfect. With that note, because Shaheen said that future is green and sustainable for our new generation. So, ending on that note, thank you so much for watching Green Talks, and you can watch Green Talks exclusively on Michael. Thank you.